Hi, thanks for visiting the ViperX website today. Today I want to show you a product that we came up with about a year ago that if anybody has made a custom compound string, crossbow string, recurve string, whatever, generally done it by hand. And you know what it takes to do eye loop serving and end serving on a string by hand. Especially when you get into the single cam strings, it's a lot of work, as you already know. So this is the ViperX serving box. We come up with this to make your eye loop servings and your end servings and center servings go on much quicker, more uniform in tightness from end to end, and just better quality. So I'll get into showing how this thing works, and I'm sure you'll appreciate once you see this thing in action. So what I've done here is I've just built this is for a Horton Vision, red and black string. When you build strings on pins, which I'm sure all of you have done, to serve your eye loop, spin your arm. I know this is pretty standard procedure for all of you that have done strings. We separate our colors, black on bottom, red on top. We are using 14 thousandths halo, which doesn't make a difference. You can use any kind of serving you want. So what you do is you get your serving started by hand. Secure that tail. Okay, from this point you would serve by hand to get to that mark, do your back servings, whatever. With a ViperX serving box, you simply slide the unit over the blank, a slit in the middle of the puck. It is used by a right angle drill. We are using biter serving tools, which is the same width for our clip here. Simply slide that on and hit the trigger. Stop with the tool in the up position, slide the unit off, and lay it on your table. It's that easy. Now you do your back serves. And that is what we call the dirty end. The dirty end has your tails. This is a standard string, standard style string. What most people do is serve over their tails. Now for the other end, we simply flop the string and serve the clean end. Sure that's good and square. Okay. Make your marks. Same thing on the clean end as the dirty end. Get your serving started. All you need to do is get about 1/4 inch of security over that tail, and then use tools to maximize your speed and quality. Slide it on, just like so, hit the trigger. And that is doing the eye loop on a blank with the ViperX serving tool. Not only is it faster, it is also more uniform in tightness from end to end. You're not going fast, then slow, and your arm gets fatigued. The same constant speed over the whole length of the serving. So that's just the eye loops. We're also going to show you how to serve the end servings, whether you're doing 10 inches, 12 inches, 15, 30, whatever. You can do center servings. Anything that requires serving on a bowstring, you can do it with the ViperX serving box. There are some similar products on the market which work very well, but nothing slides over the string to do the eye loops for a blank, and I don't believe there's anything that's as easy to use. One thing I will note, you will have some hopping, some, what's the word I'm looking for? You have a lot of centrifugal force, basically, when you have a tool off center from this center hole of the puck. So you're going to have a little bit of vibration. It doesn't affect anything. It's nearly impossible to get that vibration out. So don't worry about it. You'll have a little bit of hopping, but it doesn't make a bit of difference in the quality of your string. So that is 2 eye loops served with the serving box. Okay. We're now going to show you how to use it in conjunction with end servings and center servings for a crossbow string. You can also do it for compound strings or what have you. So go over here. Now I'm going to use our fancier machines here to show how we connect our servings, but I'm going to primarily use the ViperX serving box to show you how easy it is to use. I'm sure all of you have some kind of stretching systems, whether it's a lever system or a cam over system or whatever. We have pneumatic air cylinders, but put your pressure on your string, okay? Make our serving marks. Once again, this is actually for a crossbow here, but doesn't matter if you're doing a compound or crossbow string. Get your serving started. Take the ViperX serving box, slide it over the string, and hit the trigger. Stop in the up position, slide it off, slide the unit off. This puck here is made out of Delron. It will not damage your bowstring fibers. We've been using this. We've done many strings, thousands and thousands of strings. We've never once brazed our bowstring fibers, doing eye loops, end servings, center servings, whatever. So don't be afraid of that. As far as center end servings go, what we do is we serve up and we back serve down. Some of you might just start your serving at your eye loop and continue down the string. What I'm going to do, you won't have this fancy machine to work with, but you have your way of serving your connection, we call it. But the main body, whether it's 10, 15, 20, whatever inches it is, let the tool do the work. Connected to our eye loop serving. From this point on, you'd start serving by hand, and about 10 inches down the string, your forearm gets tired, you've all done it. Take the serving box, slide over the string, put the tool in the up position like I showed you, and hit the trigger. This tool runs about 300 to 400 RPMs. Your hands can't go that fast. When you have pressure on your string, a lot of tension on it, you have less hopping or centrifugal force with the tool. So you'll see that there's less vibration going on when you have tension on the string. Slide it off. And that is an end serving. It's only about 8 inches, but it gives you the idea of how it works. So whether it's end servings, eye loop servings, center servings, anything with serving on a bowstring, let tools do the work for you. Especially on single cam strings, those of you that have built a 95-inch bowstring that has 40 inches of idler wheel serving, takes you 15-20 minutes because your arms get so sore. Let tools do the work. Give it a try. I guarantee you're going to like it. Pricing is on the website for the unit. You can buy the unit with the drill and the unit with the drill with an extra battery as a kit. We'll offer all 3 pieces for you. If you already have a right angle drill, obviously only need the serving box unit. So check it out. I guarantee you'll like it.